Hello students, this is your lecture third, and in lecture third I will discuss about the capacity building for stronger entrepreneurship. So to be a successful entrepreneur, individuals need to build certain capacity in different areas, and these different areas are as follows. Number one is operational capacity building. So to become a successful entrepreneur, individuals have a strong operational capacity. Now, strong operational capacity means having a strong understanding of the business and industry, right? This will help entrepreneur to lead, further to plan the business, then to organize various resources. As I told you, entrepreneurship is an organizing activity. They have to organize different factors of production. Now they have to do a lot of planning for the business, and this will help an entrepreneur to be a successful, right? Now second capacity building is management capacity building. Further, entrepreneur must have strong management experience, as the entrepreneur have to manage the operations, resources and people of the organization, and this can only be done if he has the strong management skill. So to be a successful entrepreneur, an individual must have a strong management skill, because he has to manage the people in the organization or the employees of the organization. They have to manage the various operations of the organization. They have to manage the various resources of the organization, whether they are human resource or the financial resources. So management skills are very important to become a successful entrepreneur. Now the third capacity building is financial management capacity building. So in addition to the operational capacity and management skill, entrepreneur also need to have an experience and education of the financial management, right? As the whole organization depend upon the finance. So entrepreneur need to have an accurate estimate and building financial statement. He must have the knowledge of how he will prepare the financial statement of the organization, how he will prepare the balance sheet, how he will prepare the P&L, trading account कैसे बनेगा organization का, right? So financial, because these reports or the financial report give us the information about the key indicator of the business financial health. तो इसलिए एंटरप्रेन्योर को financial management की knowledge होना is very important. And last but not the least is the personal capacity building. So last is the personal capacity building of the entrepreneur is very important, right? Showing strong traits and behaviors. So entrepreneur must have a strong trait so that it can attract the investors, suppliers to invest in the business, right? So strong traits include the dedication, perseverance, ambition, determination, strong willpower, openness, honesty, etc. And so these are the personality traits which need to be present in the entrepreneur if a person or the individual want to become a successful entrepreneur. So these are the four capacity building for stronger entrepreneurs. Thank you, students.